Today I'm going to show you how to make a keychain with letter beads and some wooden beads. If you want to paint your wooden beads, do that before this next step. First thing we're going to do is pick up the leather cord, loop it through the keychain, and fold it in half. Put both ends together, and that's where we're going to string the beads. Before you string the beads, you want to plan out the order that they're going to go in so that you don't have to redo that part a thousand times. Make sure that you plan to leave at least one wooden bead on either end of the keychain. Once you've added all the beads, all you have to do is to tie the end of the cording. You're going to tie it around your finger just like if you were tying a balloon. If the remaining cord at the end is too long, you can snip it off, and after that, you're done.